Dear students, next is intersection of sets. In operation of sets, we are going to study next point, intersection of sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all those elements which belong to both A and B and is written as A intersection B. Please note this inverted U-like symbol is called intersection. So A intersection B is a set of those elements or is a set of X such that X belongs to set A and X belongs to B also. Means, for example, if A is a set of 1, 2, 3 and B is a set of 4, 5, 6. Please note there is no common element in both of these. So A intersection B is equal to null set and can be indicated by Greek alphabet phi. Next example 15. We are told to take the sets from question number 12 and find A intersection B. So set A is a set of 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is a set of 6, 8, 10, 12. We are asked to find A intersection B. A intersection B means the set of those elements which are common to both. So A intersection B is equal to set of 2 is not common to both, 4 is not common to both, 6 is common to both. So set of 6, then 8 is also common to both. So set of 6 and 8 is A intersection B. In example 16, let X be the set of Ram, Geeta, Akbar be the set of students of class 11 who are in school hockey team, and Y is the set of Geeta, David and Ashok be the set of students from class 11 who are in school football team. We asked to find X intersection Y. X intersection Y means this set of those elements which are in set X also and in Y also. So here X intersection Y is equal to set of Ram is not common to both, Geeta is common to both. So please note this Geeta is common to both, it is a set of Geeta. Then Akbar is not common to both, David is not common to both, Ashok is not common to both. The set of Geeta is the set of X intersection B. Now understand this can be represented by Venn diagram. So here we know the set A is the set of Ram, then Geeta and Akbar. This is Geeta is, please note, it is representing this area, then David and Ashok. So please note this area is common to both. So this shaded region represents X intersection Y. So here also in A intersection B, if A is this set, B is this set, then this region, the central region which is common to both, represents A intersection B. In example 17, let A be the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and B is the set of 2, 3, 5, 7. Find A intersection B. Let us first find the A intersection B. A intersection B, we have studied that it is the set of common elements to both the sets. So here 2 is common to both, then 3 is common to both, then 5 is common to both, then 7 is common to both. So please note this, A intersection B is equal to set B itself, 2, 3, 5, 7. So this will be possible only if one of the set is the subset of the other. In this case, B is the subset of A, hence A intersection B is equal to B. It can be opposite also. If A is the subset of B, then A intersection B will be equal to A. Please note, it will be equal to subset. Next, with the help of these examples, if A is the set of 1, 2, B is the set of 2, 3, C is the set of 3, 4, I have taken easy sets, and universal set B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will understand all these are subsets of the universal set. Now let us verify the properties of intersection of the sets. Here A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Let us verify this. Now A intersection B is equal to A intersection B is equal to set of common elements is 2 and B intersection A. is also equal to B intersection A is also equal to 2. So it means A intersection B and B intersection A is equal. So first property is verified. Now second is A intersection B intersection C and A intersection B intersection C associative. Let us check whether this property is true or not. So we have to do the A intersection B. A intersection B is equal to 2 and intersection with C. Intersection with set C is intersection with set C. Please note there is no common element, so it is a null set. Now here B intersection C common element is 3. Common element is 3 and intersection with A, intersection with 1 and 2. Again please note there is no element, so null set is here. In this case we have got both the null sets, so we can say that associative property is also true for intersection, that is A intersection B intersection C and A intersection with B intersection C is equal. Next is law of identity, that is phi null set intersection with A. So if this is a null set and A is this set, so intersection with 1 and 2. So common element to both are nothing. It means is equal to null set itself. That is equal to 5. So we can say that phi intersection A is equal to 5. Now A intersection A intersection with A itself. It means A there is another set 1 2, and if you take the common elements of A intersection A, you will get A intersection A. That is common elements are 1 2 means that is equal to A. So A intersection A is equal to A the set itself. Then next is A intersection B union C and A intersection union with A intersection C. Let us verify this law. Now we have B union C is equal to B union C is equal to set of 2, 3 and 4, and if you take intersection with A, so intersection with A intersection B union C is equal to, common to both A and this is equal to 2. Then next is next is let us take A intersection B. A intersection B is A common to both. A intersection B is equal to set of 2 and A intersection C is equal to, common to both is nothing. Common to both is nothing. It means A intersection B union with A intersection C. Please note this is union means set of all the elements of set A and set B. So this is equal to 2. So again you will notice that distributive property is true for intersection of sets. Next point and the last point of this topic is difference of sets. The difference of the set A and B in this order, that is A minus B, in this order is the set of elements which belong to A but not to B. Now let us try to understand this with the help of example. So if A is a set of 1, 2 and 3 and B is a set of 3, 4 and 5. It means A minus B, that is difference of A minus B in this order is equal to set of all the elements which are there in A but not in B. This is equal to set of 1 and 2. And B minus A is the, if this is the subtraction order, then they must be in B but not in A. So this is equal to set of 4 and 5. So 3 will get subtracted and you will have set of 4 and 5. Please note here A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Please note here A minus B and B minus A, they don't have any common element. A minus B and B minus A don't have any common element. So A minus B and B minus A, these sets are disjoint sets. Disjoint sets means the sets having no common element. So these two sets don't have any common element. So these two sets B minus A and A minus B are disjoint sets. Example 18. Let A be the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B is the set of 2, 4, 6, 8. Find A minus B and B minus A. Now A minus B means set of those elements which are in A but not in B. So A minus B is equal to set of which are in A but not in B. So 1 is in A but not in B. So 1, 2 is in A, in B also, so it will not come. 3 is in A but not in B. So 3, then 4, 5, 6 is there. So it is a set of 1, 3 and 5. Then B minus A is the set of those elements which are there in B but not in A. So 2 is there, 4 is there, 6 is there, but 8 is not there. So set of 8. Please note again, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Both sets are disjoint sets, means they don't have any common element. Now see here in example 19, let V be the set of vowels A, E, I, O, U and B is the set of A, I, K, U. Find V minus B and B minus V. So V minus B is the set of those elements which belong to V but not to B. So this is equal to set of A belongs, E is not there, so it will come E, then O, and B minus V is equal to set of K. Please note here, in this, if this is to be represented with a Venn diagram, then this is a set of I is common, U is common, A, E, O, and here K. Please note A is also common. This portion is A minus B. If this total set is A, this total set is B, and this which I have shaded from top to bottom is B minus A. Difference of the sets can be represented with the help of Venn diagrams. So if this is set A, this is set B, then this portion which I am shading is the set of A minus B. Then this portion is the set of B minus A. And please note, the central region is A intersection B.